Okay, here are 2 Carrier Comfort central air conditioning units at a commercial place nearby my town that I have never checked at before. Here's this unit. And this unit's a little bit dented right here. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. That's a 410 from 2011, I think. Here's this Carrier unit. Also has a Copeland scroll compressor. Gentech motor, I think. That's a 310 from 2011. And I believe there is one more unit on the other side of this place. Oh yeah, there is. There's another Carrier unit. I didn't even notice this unit when we got here. This unit's mounted up on a riser. $410 from 2011. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of these 3 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.